Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can put this phone into recovery mode. To get started, we will need to grab a cable and plug it into our computer. So this is a requirement for us to be able to boot into recovery mode. So anyway, I'm going to connect it right away. It should give me a pop-up if I want to, there we go, allow access to phone data from my computer. It really doesn't matter what we select right here. The phone doesn't really care if it has data or not. It will still allow us to boot into recovery mode. It just needs that connection for some odd reason. So anyway, from here, I'm going to just swipe down from the top, do that once more, select our power button, and then we're going to select restart. This will start rebooting the device. You will see a Samsung logo and the screen afterwards goes black. Once it goes black, hold power key and volume up at the same time. There we go, black, hold power, volume up. You will see a Samsung and then Galaxy. Once you see the Galaxy edition, you can let go of both of those keys and simply wait for the recovery mode to show up, which it just did. You can also unplug the cable. It was only needed to boot us into this mode. Once we're in it, the cable is not needed anymore. From there, once in this mode, you will need to use volume keys to navigate up and down, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And quickly going over the options in here that we have access to, we have reboot system now, which just brings us back to Android. We have reboot to bootloader, which does absolutely nothing. It will just boot us back to Android as well, because there is no bootloader. We have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, power off the device, and repair apps. So there we go, that's all the options. I'm gonna stick with the first one just so I can leave this mode, confirm it with power key, and all I do now is wait for the device to boot back up. And there we are. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.